if we think about, NLP has been around for 45 years, and kind of thinking about some of the past of NLP. First, what is NLP? And even from the very beginning, and this is the subtitle of the first book on NLP, we say it's the study of the structure of subjective experience. So that's really what we're looking at. The world of NLP as a technology is our inner subjective experience. And we like to say then there's really three basic aspects to NLP. There's what's called it's an epistemology, meaning it's a system of principles and distinctions for organizing knowledge about ourselves and our interaction with the world. But it's also a methodology. So it's a set of principles. It's a kind of a philosophy in a way, but it's also a methodology. There's a lot of process in NLP, how to do things. So it's a process for gathering and applying information, and the fundamental process of NLP from its very beginning has been modeling. And this idea of modeling is what keeps NLP fresh and keeps it developing new things and keeps it evolving. And then of course, it's a technology. And we've said, it's a technology for human development. And so one of the things that NLP is really good at doing is being able to create tools that aid in the application of the knowledge that we've gathered in order to achieve particular results. Because, we know that there's an allergy technique, there's a phobia process, there are things for working with spelling, there are things for improving communication or leadership. So NLP picks these goals and then it applies this methodology to create these tools that can help us to do these things better.